up before the whole family comes. We'll have some fun and eat some burgers and have some fun and drink some stuff. Yeah, I'm a horrible rapper, but I have fun doing it. Alright, we're coming down the road. We're gonna get some nice. Look at this scenery. Look at this greenery. It's Canada Day, folks. And we're heading out to campground. Well, I'm heading out. I'm going to set it up, then go back with the Fang Jam, and then we'll have a whole bunch of relaxation, do some Canada Day. Finley, the camper dog's coming, and we'll have a nice, relaxing week after everything we're going through. So we'll catch you up. Yeah. When you pass by the Pink Piggies, you know you're there. Coming up to our spot. Just up ahead. There it is. We have arrived. I always think it's funny. No exit for residents of this area only. So you can get in, but you can never leave. And who wouldn't want to leave? Look at when you drive up, this is what you get. All right. Checked in and ready to go. Let's take a quick tour. See what it's all about. Got the showers and all the long-term campers. It's not unlike any other campground, but it's good. It's quiet. Remember this lady always telling me to slow down to 20. We have a pool on the right. Kids park. Kids used to play there when they were younger. Now they're all adults, so don't get too many. Some more campers. The trees have really grown up since. Camper dog. She don't care. She only wants to get in the tent with mommy. So it took me about 6-7 hours to set up. Once I was here yesterday and then this morning, we got a nice big blow up tent. Bought that online. Just use a pump it up, poof, tie down the corners, you're good. Okay. Never forget emergency toilet, even though we have one here at the campground. And never forget Finley's pool. And this is the campground area. Of course, we got a fire pit, you know, Every campground has a fire pit. We got a nice secluded spot. Nobody beside us. Here's my trailer. You saw this build. Got a hammock that attaches to the car and to the trailer, so we got a hammock to lie in. And of course, camper noises. Here's the kitchen we talk about. Got it all set up. Connected to the power. So we got the, so like that, Finley? You like that, camper dog? Hey, is that good? Yeah. Got a little propane barbecue. Got a little butane stove. I got an electric stove under there. Cooler up top. Pots and pans can all hang up on this canopy. You saw this canopy that comes down on 3 sides. Our own garbage, everything. Little tour around the other side. Had an old Coleman cooler I attached to the front. I used to have a little toolbox in there, but I put another Coleman cooler. Plenty of space inside for my boxes. And this is the other side. Little sun protection in case it gets too sunny, but we're in a shady tree area. All right. There we go. That's our camper. Finley, it's a statue. What are you barking at a statue for? Just a long walk, Finley? Finley camper dog? Finley's on a sniffer walk. She gets to meet the kids and smell everything. So she's not so stressed around here with all the noises and the smells. The whole thing, Finley.
Pulled your wipers off.
That could with her.
Where did it go? Too far? Too far? How did you get it?
Here's my nighttime setup. Look at that. Solar lights, some Christmas lights. Little solar lights out here. Of course, I don't want to walk into the trailer hitch. Real dark. Come on this side. That's what it looks like. Nothing better than beef on a campfire. Except for my wife sitting in the chair. And Finley eating her bone. But beef is pretty good too. How do you like your marshmallows? I like them toasty brown.
Daddy.
Got a mosquito on my finger. Ah, marshmallow. The stick.
No, don't put your paw in it. Just eat it.
She can't reach it.
Eat it.
So how do you like your marshmallows?
What?
Comment below. Fiddly, Fiddly, it's just me. Sneeze, make her bark. And just like that, the rain has stopped. Finley, enough.
Stop that. Lie down.
We need a camper dog, pool-loving dog.
This one's done. They don't see mine.
We have to push the meat, not the metal. Is it clear?
It's clear when I push it
Okay.
on the other side. Yeah, I think.
Okay. Bring that one over there and just watch the other one. Hey, Jazz, it's cooking.
Yeah, not roadkill skunk this time though.
No.
Actual meat.
No, I don't. And the tank is coming down. That's some pressure.